the attorney must maintain credibility with not only the court, the judge, but most of all the jury. But if we don't maintain credibility with the judge, everybody's going to see that, and they're going to discredit us as well. So we have to be the most honest, the most informed, the most prepared person in the room. And it's a difficult challenge because as an attorney, by our very nature, we are the most distrusted person in the room. So we have an uphill battle. And we have to go the extra step always to be honest and credible. We must maintain our honesty and credibility at all costs, even if that means admitting a bad fact. We cannot disregard it. We do not hide from the bad facts. In fact, in many openings, we put them out front. We put them out front to show that we are honest, that we're credible, that we're not going to hide anything from the jury, that the facts are the facts, and you can believe us.